How to fix Instagram direct messages option. So first thing, go to the settings and then go to the apps. When you open the apps manager right here, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Or what you want to do is wait a few seconds, scroll until you find Instagram and click on it. When you click on Instagram now, all what you want to do next is very simple. Just click on this data usage right here and make sure to enable all these options. Go back, click on force stop. After that, click on permissions and make sure to enable also every permission here. Restart your phone and congratulations. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.